Hello and welcome to another edition of A Very Bari Minute. This month's product feature is the Arjo 4-post freestanding gantry with the MS2 motor.
Hi, I'm Chad.
I'm Eunice. I'm Tyler, and today we're going to be installing a Arjo semi-permanent freestanding gantry.
Focusing on the track system, the 4-post XY allows full room access and directional changes for transfers. The removable track also allows it to be placed in any 8x8 or 10x10 foot space, regardless of the ceiling material. The post's feet are small, so moving around the room is easy. The charging station is in the corner to make charging the unit quite simple. On the track system, we have the MS2 motor from Arjo. It has a 600-pound weight capacity, and it's a fixed motor, meaning the transitions are quiet and easy.
Thank you for watching this month's edition of A Very Bari Minute. Click the link in the description below for more information, and we'll see you in next month's video.